Hi everybody, Chris with Sheridan Air Gunner. I'm at the finished product now. I'm done. I got it. This birchwood Casey brass black. I applied it and applied it and applied it. Just keep it applied it probably for about an hour. Just kept putting it on the spots and cleaning it up with some alcohol, denatured alcohol, and here she is. That nice. See it? It did pretty good. I got oil on it right now to set it. I'm trying to get it to come up nice and pretty. We'll see how it looks. I don't know if I messed up or what it looks like. It looks pretty good to me. It's doing nice. Might take off a little bit of it, but not too much. Yeah, I just put some rim oil on it is all I did. Seems to be holding okay, looking good. There's a couple spots that, just gonna stay looking coppery all the time, but doesn't look too bad, huh? Look at that, fellas. Didn't do too bit of a time. I think I'm gonna stick with the birchwood, Casey. So I do think I'm gonna stick with that because I think it looks like it did a better job on it. Everything here, I can see. Yeah, it's taking a little bit of it off. Do you see it? It's taking a little bit of it off, but it's still got a nice black sheen to it. Looks good. I think it'll be just fine. There. See that right there? That's gonna stay. See the little brass in there? Right there. There's that ding. See, there's those two other messed up spots. So, there she is. I got her back to blackened. Got the front side on her. I'm good to go. I'm gonna start putting her back together here in a minute. All right, I'm gonna clean all this up, come back and start putting it back together. I'm back with old Lefty. I got the parts back for it. I got some parts that I need to replace. Like I showed you, this is the new one, and there's the old one. Look how, there's just nothing I can do there. I can't get it. It's so pitted and rusted. It just grinds when you put it inside there. So I'm gonna throw that in the trash, and I'm gonna use this new one right here. All right, so let's get us a little bit of grease on this one, just a little. See if we can't get her nice and there we go, just a little. Line it all up. Just line it all up. Whoop. I might be a little bit off. Yep, she went. She's in. Oh, she's not far enough though. Tap it. Oh. There she goes. Now she's a little nicer. Cup's giving me a little grease down there. There she go. Hold on 1 second. Everybody have a nice Thanksgiving. Hoping everybody did. Well, like I was telling you, I got my eyes fixed, and I'll tell you, they took the cataracts out of my eyes, and they put these lenses in there, and I'll tell you, whew, what a difference that made. Good Lord. Now I don't even need to wear glasses. The only thing I don't like is every time I read something, I have to go from one, to no glasses to glasses. It's the same, but it's all right. It'll work. All right, here we go. There we are. Yeah, this part still okay, so we'll use it. I don't blame you. That's good. I'm gonna try to tap it into that top one in first. See if I can get that top one in first. Alright, give it a little bit of air. Just a little bit. Let me go with the new one. She still feels gritty as hell, guys. I mean, even after I cleaned it out 3 or 4 times. Yeah. Yep, all straightened up. All right. Let's get back to the valve situation. Here we go. Oh, what did I do with it? Yeah, there it is. Okay, let's make sure I got everything. Got that. Get that. Trigger. Spring. Get that. 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 What else do I need? Need the hammer. Hammer. I think that's it for now. Now we need this for a little while. And I need all this too. Over there. And we need this over there. I just might as well get everything over there, huh? Everything. But I need to get the... Yep, all that stuff is original right there. All that is. A couple of the stuff isn't. I'll show you what I'm using that's not original on it. Alright. Sound good? Sounds good. So let me get the seal kit for it. I have a seal kit for it, right? Let me see. Got my new boxes right here. This one right here is a brand new seal kit. I think I might just change it all, you know, just to see. I got a brand new seal kit for it. Right here. Yep. The whole stuff, all of it. But I don't really need that because it's already in there. You know. Do you need that? Gotta have that. I got that. Got that spring. Got that spring. I don't know. I don't remember them having copper springs inside there. I'm gonna go with that. I don't need that one. There's that one. Rubber. There's our lead. Got that for the get that one for the actual bolt. Put that over there. And I need her. Quick. Think that'll do her. Think that'll put us into time. What we need. All right. So here we go. We got everything. We're ready for it. Let's get our tool. The right tool for it. Down here somewhere with all the rest of them. There she is. So let's get it all back together and get this going. Can you see my jaws here? Not very well. We'll just move it over just a fuzzing. About that. How about that? Gotta get my leather. Another stripping. See, that's what I'm talking about. I got these new. I can't see anything that's like 6 feet if I have these on, right? So now, if I put them on, I can see everything that's right here by me, I can't see nothing far away. Where's my leather at? There she is. My leather right there. Okay, let's put it all together and see what we can get going. All right. So got that. Got that. Let's take the rubber. Put a rubber one on. But I don't know if you guys know that, but most of the Sheridans nowadays have the rubber one up front. You do give a little slathering. Okay, that's all set up and ready to go. And I'm gonna put a little bit of lube on the intake valve, just a little. Right, let's put her in the hole. See if we can get her. Nope. Hey, dang it, I did it. Sometimes it works. I'm gonna give that just a tap, Right, spring in, and goes down the hole. Spacer, spring, here goes everything else. There we are. Got a little spring action. I can feel it already. It's a good thing. That is. That's a good thing. That's a good thing. See if we can get her down in there enough. Get her started. Got her fought. Got it. Took a little bit, but I got her in there. So, let's keep going. Let's get the rest of it put back together. All right. I'm gonna go ahead and get the hammer spring in and the hammer. Yeah. Let's get the hammer spring in. Couldn't remember I always forgot how that does. I think that. I don't know why I forget that all the time. But I think it goes like that. Space goes to the bottom. Yeah. The spring goes in. Man, that thing looks terrible. I'm gonna put a little Scotch-Brite on that. You know, that sonic cleaner does okay, but it don't get them nice and clean. I don't know how clean you need an actual the rod, you know, just guides it basically. There she goes. Now here we go. Let's see what we get. Whoops. Have to do a little tapping. Uh-oh. She's not lined up. I can tell by looking. Get my lineup tool. There we go, maybe. Let's line it up. Give it a couple little taps. Yeah. Give her a little bit of snug up. A little more. Oop, too much. Right in there. Right in there. Let's see. Put the guide in there. Oh, wrong way. Nope, no, that one don't matter. There. There she goes. Now, that one looks a little worn. Not like. I gotta feel it with my fingers. I can't feel it with these plastic things on. Yeah, she's all right. Thought maybe she had a notch in her, but she don't. No, she feels pretty good. She does. She feels all right. Okay, now this is the fun part. Okay, let's get back at it here. All right, I'm gonna put the old safety in. To do it. Okay, now let's get the trigger in. Where the spring goes there, the little spacer thing goes down in there. This goes here, goes there, and I collapse it into the hole. Looks good. Tap, tap, tap. Goes right in. Too far, maybe. Good. There she is. Safety is on. Safety off. Good. Cool. All right. Now here comes the judge. This is the one that what I did is I heated that up, if you can tell, and I bent it, right? And we're gonna see if it works. I don't know. I gotta put that new gasket on there though. just to make sure. I'm gonna put that new gasket on. Let me see if I got a hook in here. Take that gasket off. There you go. Old gasket off. New gasket on. Put the new gasket on the bolt on the lefty. As long as I get it around there, I'm good. There she is. Got her. So I'm gonna put her in. Let me see what I got here. Yep, I gotta put the spring in now. Where's my spring? There she is. There's my spring right there. You know, you guys know, I've said it 1,000 times. I hate this part. Usually they go across this. Oop, almost went. Luckily my thumb went. The bad thing is I gotta remember it's a lefty. Okay. Here we go. Push it in. Whoop. Now, our bolt lug. There's our bolt lug. I had to buy a new one of these too because that other one was trashed. Did I do something wrong? Click it back for me. I don't think the distance is any different. Oh, okay, I see. Maybe it is. All right, let's keep going. See how we're doing. Put the cover on there. Got both of them in there. There she is. There she. Not gonna do no snugging yet. Gotta wait. There she goes. Let's see what she does. And she's a lefty now. We gotta work it different. See that? I guess that'd have to be a left-hander that. Maybe that's why I was not pulling it back good enough because it was still solid. Let's see. I did buy a new stock for it too. I did. Let's see. I got a screw. Got the screw for it. That had a bolt, remember? It had a bolt. So I bought a new one. Remember, it had a bolt on it. So let's try this. Just put this on for a minute. That's how she looks. Lefty. One, two, three, 4, 5. Let's see if she shoots. You ready for it to see if it shoots? Nice. Nice. Yeah. Well, let me put let's see if I can get that guard on. I mean, not the guard, hand pump. We got some, I don't know if I have the, what you call it for those. I got that one stick. I'm gonna see if I can find any of those. I don't know if I have any. Let me take a look real quick, fellas. All right, guys, got the last bit of pieces put together. Put the arm on, the pump arm on. I found some pins. I didn't know if I had any, so I found another arm and put a new arm on it. All right, now put the stock back on it. Here's the stock. Where it belongs. Put my stock back on it, give her a test run. See how she does. Okay. Ooh, sounds good. Let's give her a cock. Back. I'm gonna put a pellet in. Let's see what happens. I'm gonna shoot it with a pellet. See how we should shoot. See, I got a little backstop right there, just in case you didn't ever notice. Whenever I shoot anything, it goes into a backstop. So let's take a look real quick at the Lefty. Huh? Not bad. You know, a little bit of, I think I'm gonna just take some of that birchwood and touch all that stuff up. See that? See how that all is a little bit marked up? But it's a lot better, huh? See? Lefty. Lefty. Here we go. Let's give her 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh yeah. Yeah, baby. She got some power. Got me another Lefty. So, just let you know. I'll let you take a look, see what I mean. See, I got a couple of them up on the walls there. See, just a couple. Just let you see. See, I got them all around. All kind of them. So, just to let you know, a little bit of the stuff that I do. All right, bye.